Hi, before saving any money and committing, I just want to give you an introduction about AWS pricing models. So this section should be really easy to understand. Let's dive in. First, AWS has four different pricing models. First one is free tier. It's an opportunity to try new services, but it's only available for 1 year and only to new AWS customers. For example, here, for the service AWS Lambda, you can get 1 million free requests per month. And for DynamoDB, you can get 25 gigabytes of storage for free. Then you have the on-demand model, which is the default one. So you pay for compute capacity by the hour or seconds with no long-term commitments. For example, you have your EC2 instance. When you start it, you're going to pay it, but when you stop it, you are not going to pay it anymore. So this is for spiky workloads to define needs. Then you have the reserved instance and savings plans models. So you make a commitment and you receive a significant discount of compute. And this is only for committed and steady state usage. So if you plan to stop or delete your EC2 instance, you don't want to create a commitment for that one. And lastly, you have the spot instances. It allows you to spare EC2 capacity at savings of up to 90% of on-demand prices. But this is only for fault-tolerant, flexible, and stateless workload because your EC2 instance might be stopped. You can combine all these purchase options, and so at the end you will have all your reserve instance and savings plans for steady state workloads. Then you can use on-demand for new and stateful spiky workloads, and at the end, spot for fault-tolerant, flexible, and stateless workloads.